Come on, children. Can anyone tell me what heterotrophs and autotrophs mean? It's an important concept in biology, so let's try to remember.
Ma'am, heterotrophs are organisms that cannot make their own food. They depend on others, like humans and animals.
Very good, Chiku. And what about autotrophs? Can you explain what autotrophs are and provide an example of something that would be considered an autotroph?
Autotrophs are organisms that make their own food, like green plants, using processes such as photosynthesis to convert light energy into chemical energy.
You said we are heterotrophs and cannot make our food, but we make our foods daily in the kitchen. Why it is so?
And you described plants as autotrophs and food makers, but they have no kitchen. Is there any confusion you have about this concept at all? But ma'am, this definition is written in the book. What's true? Please explain to all of us today about this subject matter.
That's a very good question, children. We say humans are heterotrophs because we cannot make our own food. But you also
know that we cook food in the kitchen. So let's understand the difference. It's a very important distinction to make for everyone. Tulin, when we cook food, what do we use?
We use rice, vegetables, pulses, milk, spices, and exactly. These are already food materials. We only change their form by boiling, frying, or baking. Chiku, where do these food items originally come from?
From plants, ma'am, and animals that eat plants.
Right. So even when we cook, in science, making food means changing simple inorganic substances like water and carbon dioxide into organic food.
Right. So even when we cook, we are still depending on plants and animals for food. That's why humans are called heterotrophs.
Now let's talk about plants. Green plants make their own food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air.
But ma'am, those are not food.
Exactly. Plants use these simple things and change them into real food called glucose. So children, listen carefully. Cooking means changing already made food. Now, let's explore how plants make. Photosynthesis means making food from simple substances using sunlight, a vital process that supports nearly all life on Earth.
So, ma'am, plants are real food makers.
Yes, Chiku, that's why plants are called autotrophs. They make food for themselves and for all of us.
And we are heterotrophs because we depend on them.
Very good. Without plants, there would be no food and no oxygen.
That's why we must respect and protect plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, the bell rang at the wrong time. The homework remains. Perhaps you want to do it? Write in the comments.